Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will show you how to make Jimmy Dean English muffin, sausage, eggs, and cheese sandwiches in the air fryer. That works with any flavor of these English muffin sandwiches, not just sausages and cheese. Same instructions, same cooking times. You're cooking it straight from frozen, no need to defrost. So I'm going to open the package of Jimmy Dean English muffin sandwich and take it out of its packaging. And let's take out the air fryer basket. So the best way to cook this type of sandwich in the air fryer is to separate all the pieces. So I'm doing the bottom English muffin bun separate, meat separate, egg separate. I'm going to try to separate the cheese slice. I did. So the reason why I separate the cheese slice, I'm not going to cook it initially because cheese tends to fly around the air fryer or melt and cause trouble here. So I'm going to cook it without the cheese and then melt the cheese at the very end. So I will just set it aside for now. And all those other parts are going to be cooked in the air fryer basket. So let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 5 minutes. So now the air fryer is done cooking. So let's open the basket. Look how good everything looks. And now I'm going to add the cheese. So here on the picture, the cheese is on top of the egg. So that's what I'm going to do. So we'll just put the cheese slice on top of the egg. And since everything is hot, the basket is hot, I don't need to turn on the air fryer. I'll just put the basket back in the air fryer. And the cheese should just melt from the residual heat. So I will just check it in a minute and see if it's melted, and we'll assemble a sandwich and try it. It looks so good. I'm already so excited. I'll show you the end result. Let's come back when the cheese melts. So it's been 1 minute. Let's take a look at the cheese. Let's open the basket. Perfect. The cheese is perfectly melted. So this Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwich is ready. Let me take this out of the air fryer. This perfectly toasted English muffin. So it's still soft, but this top is crispy. Amazing. In the microwave, it would never get so perfectly toasted. It would just be soggy, but here it's perfect. So let me assemble it. I'm going to add the meat and the egg with cheese. And the other piece of English muffin. Perfect. Looks amazing. It's soft and perfectly toasted. Let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. Tastes so good. It's perfectly cooked hot inside, and the bread is soft yet toasted and crispy on top. Delicious. Amazing. You will love it. The air fryer is perfect method for toasting these Jimmy Dean English muffin sandwiches. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!